guys, these Jude Plays here. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Now, before this video starts, don't forget to smash that like button. Make it turn as blue as my pants, as blue as my shirt. Make it turn as blue as the water. Make it turn as blue as the sky. And today, guys, I am here with my little brother, Ronan. Beefus.
I'm gonna jump on top of this tree. Yeah. Yeah, I did it.
Okay, hold on. I gotta go real quick. I gotta go real quick.
I'll be right back.
What do you mean you'll be right back?
I'm going to swim in the lake
Okay,
down
guys,
here.
I just muted myself. He has no idea what I'm saying. He cannot hear me at all. Now today, guys, I'm actually gonna be trolling him wherever he went. I'm actually gonna be trolling my little brother. He has no idea. Oh, he's right over there. I can see his name tag. It's like, oh, he's coming up behind me. Okay, guys, today we're gonna be trolling. Now, first, I'm gonna start off with a simple little troll. Okay. Okay, this troll is like super easy. Oh, let me unmute myself. Hey, bro, don't hit me. Don't hit me, bro. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
I just
Don't
wanted to
hit
see
me.
what you're doing.
I will kill you. I have to do something. Hold on.
How many hearts do you have?
2. Now stop.
Okay. I promise I won't hit you.
Okay.
I'll just let you hit.
Okay, guys. I just muted myself again. Okay, now I'm really angry at him. I'm gonna kill him. 3, 1,000, 20, true, and now I'm gonna do slash. But now I'm gonna do speed 1,000 and 10 true. No. Where'd he go?
No scream.
Okay.
I don't want you to find me and kill me.
Oh, okay. You don't want me to find you? You don't?
Okay, fine. You can do that. I guess it's fair. I mean, I almost killed you. So I guess.
Wait, where'd you go? Got him.
I don't really care. And I'm back at the start, and now you'll never find me.
I won't.
Okay.
Found you. No. Hold on. Let me kill these guys.
Down.
Got him.
Dude, stop.
Aren't you wondering how I'm so strong? Bro, you literally can't outrun me. I have speed 10 on. Bro, I'm catching up super fast. I'm lagging so badly. Bro, I'm catching up in seconds. Okay, hold on. Eat. Bro, stop running. Stop running.
Don't hurt me, please.
Okay. I won't hurt you, little bro. I won't hurt you, okay?
Stop swinging your fist everywhere, because you might hit me.
Okay, well, I gotta do this, you know. I gotta do this to the viewers. You know, they just spaz out. Where'd you go?
I'm running away.
You are? Oh, I see a village.
A village! I found a village on my screen.
Yes, I found the same one too. Oh, and I see exactly where you are now.
Can I get the blacksmith, please?
I don't think these villages even have blacksmiths.
Yeah, this is way updated.
No, I get the blacksmith.
No, please. Well, can we share what's in this blacksmith?
Wait, hey, bro, hold on, bro, get back here, bro. Fine, I'll just run to you. It's much easier. Now, bro, hold on, hold your horses, bro.
Dude, I'm just going up here.
So, bro, I have something I need to tell you, okay? Stay still. No, stay still. Bro.
Stop. Don't hurt me.
This village is pretty awesome. So, it's only mine.
Jude?
Bro, why are you so quiet now? Are you leaving?
No, I'm not leaving. I'm just going to do something.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, Ronan. I kind of feel bad for trolling you, so I'm gonna.
Wait, you were trolling me?
Yeah, wait.
A
Right, that's what it's called when I do all that stuff. It's called a troll.
E M O D
Okay.
E D D D E E E
Okay.
D
Crap.
E
Crap.
space C. What? Why can't I don't have to?
Mule.
You big. Don't make me leave the game.
Ray, please don't rage quit. I'm only halfway through the video.
I'm gonna quit.
Bro, don't quit. Don't rage
Running,
quit.
don't, please. Fine.
Like, everyone will see you on YouTube. Oh crap, I reversed it. Oh wait, no I didn't. Crap. Okay. And...
I don't really care.
Okay. Bro, stay down. Stay down. No.
Kill. Is he drowning right now? Well, you're the one
Oh,
that.
I killed you?
Yeah, you did. You hit me.
Oh.
Dude,
Well.
can you give me those effects?
No, I can't.
Why? Like, it's not fair.
I know. That's why it's called a troll.
This is not fair. Yeah, this is not fair. I need it to be daytime.
Don't worry. You'll have your chance.
Really, dude? I want it to be daytime.
Bro, how'd you respawn there? Okay.
Wait a sec. I'm right by the village. I'm just gonna go to sleep in the village.
Okay, guys, I muted myself again.
I'm going to sleep.
Okay, guys, I muted myself again. But what he doesn't know is there has to be 2 people in order for him to sleep. And little does he know, your boy Jude Ploys isn't gonna be sleeping tonight. He's gonna be planning something much, much different. Okay. Oh crap! I gotta hurry! Gotta hurry!
Hey, what are you doing?
This.
Goodbye. I'm out of here. Whatever you're doing, please stop. I'm gonna look into an Enderman's eyes and kill myself. Oh crap! Oh crap! I'm just.
I blew you up. Well guys, that's going to be all for today's video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you dudes next time. Peace out.
Okay.
I mean,
I wanna.
guys,
Can you join me?
I already said peace out. I don't know why you're still here. Like, come on. The video's over. Like, you can just leave. Right now, you can leave whenever you want. Like, come on guys, like, just seriously.
Oh
Like,
crap! I'm running into a creeper. No!
Okay.
Crap!
Okay,
I'm
guys.
dead.
Okay. Guys, like seriously, I'm just gonna be staring into this. The video's over. Okay, you win. I'm gonna stop the recording. What? You're still here? Darn, I thought for sure you would have left. Nope, but I'm just here. Fine, you guys win. For real this time. See you next episode.